Want to decrease the size of health bar in Call of Duty but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to my Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to decrease the size of the health bar in Call of Duty. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by tapping on the settings icon which is on the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on basic from the left side of your screen. Now scroll down to teammate HUD Settings. Here you can see health bar scale. Tap on the minus sign below it. And that's how you can decrease the size of health bar in Call of Duty. Thank you for watching Main Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.